Hey traders, hope you're doing well. Just a quick one on natural gas and crude oil today. So I'm going to start with natural gas. So let me show you what I've said in my previous video. Won't be long, it's going to be just a few seconds. As you can see, we already got this retracement from our buffer zone and the market is now pushing up and can hit till 8.498. Okay, awesome. So from the first level of support, resistance, and from the buffer zone right here the market pushed up hitting our first target. And now if you remember, I've said that we can expect a retracement till our buffer zone from our second level of support. And as you see, the market came back down, retest our previous resistance, which is now acting as a support, give us a nice candle, and market pushed up. We had a good pullback and now breaking above the previous high. So right now, with this engulfing pattern, I'm still expecting a push up to at least right here. So this is the 1 ATR target. Right here, the ATR of this candle is 23, and I'm taking the target 180 ATR right from here. So right now, market is still in an uptrend, and we got this nice bullish candle. It's bullish engulfing candle. Looking at that, we can expect a push up. We might get a retracement again, but at this point, looking at the strong bullish momentum and this candle, we can expect a push up in this zone. Between this zone, as you can see, once a market pushed up in this zone, we did not get any sort of bearish pressure, not a bearish engulfing pattern. On 4-hour time frame, neither we get any pin bar. But if you look at 30-minute time frame, let me show you something interesting. We had a nice bearish engulfing pattern at the resistance. And if you want to do a quick scalp, that would be your entry, and market end up giving you good nice pips of profit. So this is how I take entries on lower time frame from the major zones. So at this point, let's look for a target I've just marked here on Ovanda. Let me show you on currency.com right here. What do we have here? We have market pulled up, came back, hit our buffer zone, 50% retracement, give us an engulfing pattern. This candle has not closed yet, so we still have a room. If you remember, our target here on this data is right here, 1.618 retracement, which has not been hit. I'm expecting a market to hit this zone. We can expect a push down, a pullback, and then we can expect a push up to this zone, which is 8.937, goes up to 9.369. And once we hit this ping zone, I will look for a bearish pressure either as an engulfer, double top, pin bar. On 4-hour time frame, you can go and check on 1 hour and 30 minutes as well, like I just showed on Ovanda. If you want to see that, just rewind this video and check the entry condition we got on 30-minute time frame on Ovanda. So I'm still looking the market to move upside. We might expect a pullback, of course, and if not, we can see a market to push up. At first level is this. From here, we can get a pullback and then we can get a push up to our pink zone. That would be awesome if you hit a like button for me. And if you are new to this channel, please hit a subscribe button here as well, because I just don't give analysis on my channel. I also try to teach you guys how to take your entries and try to show you the entry patterns, and I mark these zones for you so that we all can trade efficiently. So a like and subscribe button would be awesome. So let's move on to crude oil. Okay, perfect. So as per my yesterday's video, if you want to watch the full analysis, you can check my last video. And as you have seen, the market pushed up, and I've said that if we have a break above, then we can expect a push up, and our target has been hit, what I've said in my previous video. So right now at this point, market rejected this zone with a nice bearish candle. So right now with this bearish candle, expecting a push down at least to 105,731. And once it can go down to 50 EMA, wherever the 50 EMA on your charts, once we hit 50 EMA, we can expect a push up again. So this is a zone you can take a little scalp. You can do a little scalp and capture some pips. I can be wrong, guys. I can be wrong many times. This is how I trade the market, and this is how I do my analysis, and that has proven to be profitable for me over the period of time. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, if you're confused, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Take care.